and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to apply a brush to live text. Let's get started. I need some live text and let's make that larger, like so. It's a fat font face so we can see the effect, and now I'm going to apply the brush to it. As you might know, if I would just select the brushes panel and apply the brush, that doesn't work. But if we take the appearance panel and then apply it a little differently, then it will work. So to set this up, I'm going to first double click the characters and delete the fill from here. So the text is now invisible. And let's go back to the type, which is now the text object itself. And I'm going to apply a stroke to it. And if I now apply a brush to this stroke, then this works. All I have to do now is select the weight of that stroke, or I can of course do that with the brushes options as well. So that's how you have live text with a brush applied to it. But there's more to this. So let's have another text object. And with this one, we're going to play this a little further. So what I want is bend this a little and then have a scribble in that so that it looks like it's been drawn on a chalkboard. So let's start again with the characters, and I'm going to delete the fill from the characters, and let's go back to the type. And I'm going to add a fill to the type, and then to this fill we can add an effect. Let's select stylize and scribble, like so. So this is very, very dense and we don't need it this dense. A little like so, and the spacing could even be looser, like so. That's okay. And we can do a little more, and I'm going to bend this, so let's apply the next effect, warp and the flag, like so. But I want this up there so it gets applied before everything else. Now if we want to apply the brush to the scribble, we need another layer in this. So we need to change the hierarchy of this construction. And the easiest way to do that is to just group it. So the text is selected and I'm just going to group it. We now have a group, and I can add a stroke to this group, and to this stroke I can now apply a brush, like so. And you see there's a brush applied to the scribble, and I can still go in there and select the text and change the text. And I can also go into the contents, and there is the warp, and I can change the warp, and I could also change the scribble options and get a little more variation into it to make it look more sloppy. So that's how you can keep everything live with text and effects and scribbles and brushes. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.